Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Visa gift card on Doordash. So let's get started. So for that, let's go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. If you have Doordash application in your mobile device, you can open it up. For now, I'm going to go ahead and open my browser and then search for doordash.com in the search bar. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and tap on account right over here. Inside here, simply scroll below. Under account settings, you'll then be able to find payment, tap onto it, and just like that, you'll land in the payment method section. Inside here, you'll then be able to see options for PayPal, credit or debit card, and the Cash App. So if you're on your mobile device, you can either scan your Visa gift card using the scan icon or manually enter your card details. If for some reason the scan option does not work, you can scroll below, then tap on Redeem Now and enter your Visa gift card PIN and click on Redeem to add it in your account. And that is simply how you can use Visa gift card on Doordash. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. I hope this was helpful. If it was, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.